step into the 2012 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include emergency trunk release, stability control, rear spoiler, floor mats, auxiliary audio input, power driver seat, automatic headlights, power door locks, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.